Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fish chops from scratch. First, gather your fresh fish fillets, like cod or haddock, along with potatoes, onions, ginger, and garlic. You'll also need breadcrumbs, eggs, and cooking oil. Make sure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go for a smooth cooking process. Next, we'll prepare the core of our fish chops. Boil your potatoes until they are tender, then mash them smoothly. Separately, cook your fish until it's flaky, carefully removing any bones. Now, combine the mashed potatoes, flaked fish, and your finely chopped aromatics and spices. Mix everything thoroughly to create a flavorful filling. Now it's time to give our fish chops their signature shape. Take a portion of the mixture and form it into small, oval, or round patties about 1 inch thick. Dip each patty first into beaten egg, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, roll it in breadcrumbs, pressing gently so they adhere well. For extra crispiness, you can repeat the egg and breadcrumb coating. Finally, let's fry these delicious fish chops to perfection. Heat about 2 inches of oil in a pan over medium heat. Carefully place the coated chops into the hot oil, frying them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.